In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis in Microsoft Loop. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to drop emojis right into your pages to add tone, clarity, and a bit of fun. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Microsoft Loop site. On the home page, click Get Started with Loop. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account and choose the right workspace. Once you're in, look for the Recent Work section. This makes it easy to jump back into a page you've been editing. Open the page you want, then click on a blank space to place your cursor exactly where the emoji should appear. It's important your cursor is active in the page before you try the emoji command. Here's the first method, which is the fastest. With your cursor ready, type forward / followed by the word emoji. That's emoji. This brings up the emoji picker right in Loop. If you don't see it, make sure you type the / on a new line or that your cursor isn't inside a title or a locked component. When the picker appears, click the emoji icon to browse, then simply click the emoji you want. It will be inserted at your cursor. You can immediately keep typing, add more emojis, or press undo if you want to change it. Now for the second method, which is great if you prefer browsing commands, click back into the blank space and type a single /. This opens the command menu. Scroll down through the options until you find emoji picker. Take your time here. Loop includes a lot of commands, so scrolling helps you spot it. Click emoji picker and the same emoji panel opens. From there, click the emoji you want to insert. If you're adding several, you can keep the panel open and click multiple emojis one after another. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If the list is long, use your mouse wheel or trackpad to scroll through commands until you see emoji picker. If you're moving fast between text and emojis, keep your cursor on a new line or after a space so the emoji doesn't merge into a link or a component. And remember, you can reposition emojis with your mouse just like regular text if you need to adjust the layout. That's it. You've learned 2 ways to add emojis in Microsoft Loop. Type on emoji to jump straight to the picker, or type busir, scroll to emoji picker, and select from there. Happy creating!